Hello people, in this video tutorial I wanted to show you how you can quickly weld polygons. For example, I wanted to show you something because this may speed up process how you work with objects. Okay, Z, and I will cut in half a polygon. I consider it to be important. That is why I want to add this video tutorial. Okay. Split mesh. Split edges. The reason why I want to show you this, because there is something that you can quickly weld your polygons. Okay, sorry, my fault. I should use different command because I want to split mesh. Split edges. I have to show you something important what I discovered. That is why I had to use command split mesh, because I must show you how I will be welding edges together quickly, as quick as possible. There's option which will allow you to do that. Auto merge vertices. You have to select this, and we got threshold. I will decrease value like this, because if you increase value, you cannot be too close near next to the point, next to vertex. And after that you have to turn on snapping, allowing rotation to target, rotate. I will not select scale because I don't consider it to be important, and I will choose median point. After that you select this gray circle and you gently place your mouse cursor. And after that you can deselect this, and you can deselect this to check if weld works without any problems. I hope you like my video tutorial. You can turn this back on like that. Check what options we are using and turn this option on as well. And you make sure you select that gray circle, then you can move it here. And you should see orange indicator when it welds successfully your vertex. You can see on right side. I think this is the quickest way, because I consider it to be important instead of doing like that and pressing an M on my button on my keyboard M. This will not save time when you work with complex models. See you, have a nice evening, guys.